Hey guys, today we'll learn how to create an employee onboarding using AI. For this, I'm gonna use this phone line tool called Unni.ai. So let's dive in. I've already created my account at Unni.ai and I can click here View Presentation. And I've already developed my prompt, so I'm gonna put it right here. The prompt that I'm going for is create a professional and engaging onboarding presentation for a marketing team kickoff meeting. And then I put some points that I want the AI to include and the tone that I want. So I want a tone that is modern, visually clean, and provides all the information that my employees need. So I'm gonna click next. After that, I'm gonna choose the presentation lens. I'm gonna go with standard, but you can also go with standard if you choose to upgrade your account. Also, I can choose text only, so no images, faster, and uses fewer credits for giants. I want images, so I'm gonna take this off, but you can easily do that. For this onboarding, I want it to be in desktop. And here I can revise all my information. This looks good for me, so let's generate it. It takes only a couple of seconds. When just like that, we have our presentation started. So here you can see that the thing is blue, but I want it a little bit more cheerful. So I can come here in this icon and click theme. And then they can choose the theme colors. I want this warm sunset colors to be a little bit more cheerful for my new employees. And the font I'm gonna change to, so I'm gonna change it to Play Fair Display. And then I'm gonna apply. As you can see pretty quickly, the AI changes all the colors for the vein and the font. Now that our presentation is ready, let's revise it to see if the information is correct. So I'm gonna start here in the first slide and quick edit the slide. Here we have different templates for the first slide. So let's choose another one. I really like this one. Let's go with this. I can also change the cover image, the title, and the subtitles, and the presenter notes. But this looks good for me, so let's save and close. And now let's revise the second slide with the bullet points. I'm gonna also change this layout. So let's go with this. I think you can read it better. And here I can revise the information. That looks good for me, so let's set in quotes. You can edit as much slides as you want. I'm gonna go with a different template for this too. So yeah, I like this one too. I think it's more intuitive. So let's change this description here because my brand focus on adults aged 30 to 45 on and female. So here, as you can see, I'm putting my company's information inside of the generic things that the AI said to me. This is possible to do in every slide. So let's save and close. And now that I'm happy with my final presentation, I want to show the resume to you guys. So let's click here, Start. So let's check our presentation for our marketing team kickoff. So here we have the first slide, the second one that we also edited with the points that I wanted to show up. Here, our mission and brand voice, so it looks pretty clean and intuitive. The other slide that we edited, the marketing workflow, so presenting for the new employees. Some quarterly KPI benchmarks, so that's very important to show to new employees, and our graded tools, our guidelines. Here is our final presentation. Thank you for watching.